Hey, I'm doing a video intro, so shut the fuck up. What's going on, guys? Back here with another video. Oh fuck, I forgot to say. But today, we're installing a transmission in this dude's truck because he burned it up because he was cutting around.
Cut things, you know what I'm saying?
So what you got here? What is this?
It's a 4016, I forgot what the fuck he said.
Stage one?
Yeah, stage one is going in, you know what I'm saying?
What else you got? You got a transcooler here, True Cool?
That 40K, you know what I'm saying?
40K. We got a, I actually got you a Trailblazer torque converter, a Trailblazer SS torque converter. So it's a little bit higher stall.
Fucking good.
Yeah. Where's your old trans at?
You know what I'm saying? That oil leak, you know what I'm saying?
Just a little bit?
This is the new one, you know what I'm saying? This is the one going in. So I'm gonna put that bitch on there.
Fresh ass oil too.
The nice one.
The nice ones are this one?
That's my Denali
Oh
one.
shit.
The chrome ones. Shout out to Velocity. Hey, say shout out to Velocity.
Shout out to Velocity.
They got the best headers in town.
Best headers in the world.
Go put
Watch out, Josie. Watch out, Josie.
Josie! Oh, already, Ivan, already with the wheels up. Whoa.
He said, "Fuck your snowflakes, they mine now."
So basically, what you're gonna want to do is go under and over.
Okay, put them on.
Well, hell no, I ain't trying to get dirty.
OEM gaskets always work better than aftermarket. Get the angles, get the angles. Oh, no balls. The hammer's out. Don't show the customer. He's standing right there. Oh, now he needs a new motor. I cracked the block.
You're gonna have to move it up to be able to see.
Microphone on.
When I installed my headers.
Velocity headers, perfect.
Hey, I installed some MSD wires.
Huh? Oh, brand new MSD wires? We can put them on your truck. Don't tell the customer. Don't tell the customer. The customer's right there.
What's up?
The customer said I'm gonna wait on the transmission. I have it on the limiter. What?
She's crazy in bed, bro.
Oh.
Hey, just asking for a friend. There you go.
Alright, so what are we doing now? Where's it at? Where's it at? The transcooler?
I don't know, I just woke up from a nap. It's my day off, so I don't know what the hell we're doing today.
Excuse the mess, it's been a freaking crazy, it's been crazy these past couple days at the Jet Shop. We've had truck after truck after truck after truck.
You want to talk about crazy? We've got some letters in the mail.
Oh yeah. Truck, look, literally, truck. I got trucks here.
And then you got trucks at my house waiting to be in
Yeah,
your shop.
I got so much work, I don't even know what to do with. But we're going through it, we're going through it.
Going through a life crisis.
Putting on a 40K cooler right now, the right way, not the cutaway.
Not the cutaway.
I'll show them the shitty way.
look at this dude's 40K. This dude got a 40K off like a Nissan Altima, bro. Yes. Ivan, look at this cooler.
Oh my, where'd you get that?
Look at the lines.
Oh my.
Wait, what is this? What is this right here?
Hey, that's why you don't take your shit to backyard mechanics.
Oh.
Stick your head up.
Oh, it's leaking. Whoa!
Get back.
That's why I put that cardboard under there. She sprung a leak. Hey, when they're seized, you gotta just. All right, Alex, show them what to do.
Look at that, how he knew.
Oh. Kalahari.
He got the fucking water. No, we got that slip and slide from Kalahari. Goddamn, look at
What I would have done.
the motherfucker's not gonna fit. See, so I would have zip tied the motherfucker on. Maybe some double-sided tape would work, but I would play it safe with the zip ties.
With the zip ties. Perfect.
Hey, there's SpongeBob on the motherfucking vape, but that motherfucker make you feel like Doodle Bob.
That looks nice as fuck.
It's gonna break the camera really fast.
Look at my eyes. What's that?
New trans.
Tell them about the trans cooler.
You can't see it right now, but it's a brand new trans cooler. It looks like a plate, yay big. Oh, it's right there.
Nice.
We got it from straight from Texas, Speed Texas.
And performance?
And performance.
All right, so we got the black truck done already. The PCM fried on it, sadly, and I couldn't get to tune it. Well, I tuned it, but it didn't go too well. It just kept not reading. So we drove the truck to the customer's house, and then we're back here now. So we got the white truck, this one, and we're gonna fix some stuff on it that the previous owner rigged. So we're gonna install a new trans cooler because this one's leaking really bad. As you can see there. That's why the trans went out, because it ran low on fluid. Maybe that's why it burned up the first time. Probably. Because there was nothing wrong with it. That's not even like a 40K. This is off of like a stock vehicle. I forgot what vehicle it is. I said it earlier in the video. I think it's like a Frontier or like a Tundra, or it's a Nissan vehicle that has a 40K style cooler. And apparently the previous owner kind of got which way? Down. I'm gonna do the same setup I did on that truck. The previous owner kind of got gypped because he got sold a new cooler installed.
What the fuck is that?
Bro, this is literally what. Look at that. What is that?
Oh my god, nigga, it was leaking. Little bitch.
Oh, lucky bitch. Looks good. Let's take this trash off. I can't believe someone built somebody for this.
Rudder built, nigga.
Alright, so I got Luis right now heating up the bracket that holds the hood latch. We're gonna paint it black.
Sounds better, man.
Yeah, I guess. Till the paint flakes off. Alright, so we got the 40K mounted up right now. Got it painted like you saw. I got this aluminum bracket. You can pick these up at like Home Depot. I don't know how much they are. They're not expensive though. They're like a few bucks. And I literally I buy like 4 feet of them at a time. And that'll serve me for like 4 trucks almost. I don't know where the other piece is at. Oh, here it is. So this will do me for another truck. And they work great, especially for mounting coolers like that. And they look super clean. They look like they're a part of the cooler, literally. And all I did was run 2 self-tappers, one into the bracket for that holds the thing for the hood, and then I just ran 2 self-tappers. You can run bolts. You can drill a hole and run a bolt with the nut, but a self-tapper works perfect.
What are we doing?
Hey, is this thing on? We're finishing up the headlights right now. I am well, we put a light in the grill.
Yeah, we did.
I did.
No, we did.
Did it look good?
Yeah, it looks good. He doesn't charge me, would you say? Look at that. Let's see. Let's see this rock light.
That's already done?
Yeah.
Fuck, nigga.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, that looks hard. That looks sick.